Get all the way over here and just at least try it.
Everything seemed to work.
It ain't no steeper than other stuff you've done. Okay, hold up.
There you are.
All the way to the right now.
Yeah, right up here.
I mean, get that tire all the way against the wall.
That's just me sideways.
Don't worry about it.
There you are.
There it is. Oh!
Straight the wheels.
You're right. This is it.
I don't like that angle.
There ain't no angle.
Yeah, there is no angle.
You're almost there, dude.
See if you can crawl it without hitting the gas too hard and see what it feels like.
Yeah, you're there. You're right where you need to be. You just need to take off. Don't flip it though. You like that? This way. Little momentum right there is all you need. Just a little momentum. It's fouling out, but little momentum down. And as you come up, just continue to the right. Keep going.
Try to turn to the right so you can get your tire to dig into that hill.
Yeah, turn more to the right.
There you go.
Keep going like that. Oh!
There was the light.